Right guys, it's Gaff here with a bit of morning inspiration. One thing it's good to do, particularly this time of year, Christmas time, when you're maybe getting fed up with the relatives and what have you, is to go out in the bad weather, like today, the rain. And just now you can always go out walking, but the other thing you can do is come to a sit spot and just kind of hole up for a couple of hours, and quite often journal during that time, or just simply listen to the rain, connect into the melancholy mood. And there's nothing like it for clearing the mind and the emotional body. It's fantastic, and it's really good when you're walking about to notice the timings on the tracks in the wet, like how long it takes them to wash out or to wash to a certain state in certain ground conditions. That's it. Another great exercise. You can see on top of the hill it's all totally misted out. So yeah, definitely don't let the bad weather stop you. There's nothing like it getting out at Christmas time in the bad weather and either testing out some kit, like a nice poncho like this, or it's one of these classic German ponchos, or using one of these little survival tent things, or even just setting a normal tent up. It's great experience for when you do actually need it. So yeah, right, bye for now, have a good day.